We decided to let Chrissy out. She's under the sea can there. And she was just chomping at the bit to get out. And Buddy was just chomping at the bit to let her know how much he missed her. Well, we'll see. We're just going to leave the gate open. This is what we normally do when we're integrating the new members of the flock. Oh. They are getting a lot more independent, and Chrissy was sick of being stuck in there with 8 of them at this size. My only concern is that they're still easy enough to pick off by the hawks, but when Ruby had her 10, they all went to the front there, the big Saskatoon bush, and kind of hung out together for a while, and then they started to integrate a little bit more. Look at Buddy looking at the baby. She's like, oh no, you're too big. Go away. Big and scary. Oh, look at the fluffy feet on that brown and black one. Oh my goodness. Oh, never mind picking on the babies, Lucy.
You're fast enough, I think, to get
Yeah. Some of them, that little black one there, is still pretty tiny. I think that biggest one is a hen. That one, brown one's a rooster, I think. I could be wrong. This is opening the little door. This one's just coming out, not really paying much attention to whether she's in or out.
the grass.
Yeah, they're looking at the grass. His feet are so fluffy. Oh yeah, they're loving the purslane. Nice carpet of it here. It's the super crabby ones that are... Oh look, those two are out the little door. Pretty sure those 2 are hens. I'm thinking 2 roosters and 6 hens, but I've been wrong before.
Baldy. Baldy.
Oh, Baldy's a grumpy thing.
Baldy. Stop it. Baldy.
You're not nice. Why would a little handicapped, old scrappy bald hen pick on babies?
Baldy.
Never mind. Go on. That's not nice. She's like, how do I get back in? Oh, they do this all the time.
Chrissy's coming up.
Yeah.
You might protect her.
Baldy was picking on your baby. Yeah, you weren't paying attention. You give her the what for? Yeah. Oh, you're so happy to be free, aren't you, Mommy? You need a nice dust bath? Got some fresh diatomaceous earth for you. See if they follow her. Here comes the herd. They're like, let's follow Mommy. Chrissy's like, I've had enough of you already, buddy. Yeah. This one has to have a dust bath in the dirt instead of over here in the nice sand. Oh, here comes the whole flock. You gotta take care of them too, buddy. Yeah, you gotta protect them. It's all up to you right now.
Look at that one wants to get out.
Yeah, they're so silly. They do that all the time. They go back and forth. He wants to get, or she wants to get with the other ones and doesn't realize there's a door like 6 inches away. You goofballs. There's an opening right there. See how long it takes them to catch on. All 3 of them want to go out with the others. My goodness. Little short of smarts, these ones. Why do they all do that to begin with? Same when we want to get them back in. They run back and forth. Oh, jeez. Maybe I'll go over that way and they'll go out. No, silly, you gotta go at the other end. Come on, go that way. Go that way. Go on. Go on. Out the other end. You silly chickens. Oh, jeez. No, the other way. Okay, we have another emergency. I thought stuff was falling down into the pipe. Chris just checked. Excuse me. There is a little bluebird stuck in the stovepipe. Poor little thing has fallen down in there. I thought maybe there was a nest at the top and it was knocking stuff down, but the little bluebird has fallen down in here and is still alive, so we gotta rescue it.
Just catch it.
Yeah, hopefully. At least it's still alive.
How it would get in there must.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
There's no nest or nothing, it's just there.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, I better move this stuff in case there's some flapping.
Yeah. Now, I just pull from here.
Yeah, just go on me.
No. Can you see it? Oh, it's down in the stove. It went underneath the top of the stove. Oh my goodness.
Okay, we'll just set that there. Let's get the bungee
Oh boy.
top off.
We're gonna have to take the top of the...
Here.
Yeah, I don't think so. It went this way. Okay, we gotta take the top of the stove off. It was right by the
Yeah.
pipe, but
Let's see it now.
yeah, he's probably in here somewhere. Okay, well, I'll get this stuff out of the way.
I need a bungee, right?
Oh my goodness. People wonder why it's so slow getting the house done. My goodness, there's always one emergency after another. Little bluebird in the wood stove was not on the itinerary. I think what I've been hearing is it probably sees some light coming from the top and it's trying to fly up the pipe, maybe. I don't know. Oh, I'm so upset now that we didn't check this earlier.
And then we'll hook this on and then we'll see how long a thing.
Okay.
This goes
You want me
on.
to do it because you'll have to make the knot. Yeah, it was moving again. Oh, it's right there.
Okay, we'll get it up.
Look at it. Oh, poor little thing. Oh, it keeps going.
Okay, you gotta get my hand there.
Oh.
Keep hold of it.
I will.
Or we put it down, it'll could almost just catch it. Okay.
I don't know. Oh, that won't go any further. Poor little thing. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Oh! 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 Oh, it hopped out and Chris was able to just grab it. Oh.
It's on.
Oh, good.
Get there. Look at that dead branch there. See it?
No.
The dead tree.
Oh yeah! It's right at the top of that dead tree there.
Right up. So right.
Oh, right up there. Oh, once it gets dusted off, it'll be okay. It's just covered in soot. Poor little thing.
Bluebird.
Yeah. I don't know how it ended up in there, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Right. Is it gonna fly away? It's starting to rain now. It's right up there.